Fraction of subtraction.
Hello everyone, I am your math tutor Justin Orcaos Dinyani. So come, listen and learn with me.
Now let us solve the fractions of subtraction. So we have the given here 5 over 2 minus 3 over 4. So to get the answer, let's do cross multiplication. So 5 times 4 is 20 minus 2 times 3 is 6 over 2 times 4 is 8. So let's simplify. So 20 minus 6 is 14. Copy the denominator 8. So let's do the less common fraction. So we divide it by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the answer is 7 over 4. Next is number 2. Same process. 5 times 7 is 30 minus 6 times 6 is 36. And then multiply 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. So 30 minus 36 is 6 over 42. So we can divide it by 2. So 6 divided by 2 and 42 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then 42 divided by 2 is 21. So our answer is 3 over 21. Next is number 4. So 4 over 2 minus 3 over 4. Let's do cross multiplication. So 4 times 4 is 16 minus 2 times 3 is 6 over 2 times 4 is 8. Let us simplify. 16 minus 6 is 10 over 8 divided by 2 both sides. So 10 divided by 2 is 5 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So our answer is 5 over 4.